Hello guys, welcome to QWERTY Mods. In this video, let's see how we can set animated Windows 11 wallpaper. Go to my website and download the required file. Link in the description. Go to Microsoft Store and download the app, Lively Wallpaper. This app will help us to set animated wallpapers in Windows devices. This app already come with couple of animated wallpapers, you can check it out yourself. Looks cool, right? Open the app and click on plus button, to add external wallpaper file which we downloaded. Browse for the file and add it to the app. Click on the thumbnail to set it as wallpaper. That's all guys, animated Windows 11 wallpaper for your desktop. Subscribe to my channel to stay connected and to watch more videos like this. Thank you.